Looking for an AI bot that can trade Forex for you? Here are 5 AI Forex trading tools worth checking. Number 5. AI Mean Reversion for MT5. It combines mean reversion trading with multiple AI models including OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. The idea is simple. When price moves unusually far from its typical range, the system looks for a potential move back toward the average. Interesting technology, but it's a relatively new system, so demo testing is essential. Number 4. LLM Council Expert Trader. This MT5 Expert Advisor uses multiple large language models to analyze market conditions. Instead of relying only on indicators, it attempts to combine AI analysis with market structure concepts. But again, new technology doesn't automatically mean profitable trading. Number 3. Deep Agent FX. This MT5 Expert Advisor uses multiple AI models to analyze market data and generate trading decisions. It's designed as a more autonomous AI trading system. But before using real money, check their live track record, drawdown, and trading costs. Number 2. Forex Fury. Unlike the newer AI systems, Forex Fury is a much more established automated Forex Expert Advisor. It supports MT4, MT5, and offers different risk settings. It's potentially easier for beginners to understand than a complex AI systems. And my number 1 for beginners is Capitalize AI. Why? Because you don't need to code, you can describe your trading strategy using normal language. Then you can test and automate the strategy. That's a much better starting point for beginners. But remember, there is no bot that guarantees profits. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.